evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the 15th annual Europa Property SEE Real Estate Awards. This year, as you can see, we are live and online, transmitting to the world. Our next category, another big one, gosh, they're just coming through, which is Industrial and Warehouse Project of the Year. And the industrial sector has really been doing well. And Agata, if you'll read off our shortlist.
B2 building in Timișoara, Industrial Park 2, Global Wharf, Romania. Bucharest West 14, CTP, Romania. Eli Park 1, Element Industrial, Romania. Metro, Stefanesti, WDP, Romania. WDP, Pirelli, WDP, also, of course, Romania.
Oh, very exciting group. And now moving on to our who's going to win this award. There's a lot of tough competition there. And for the winner is, for this category, Eli Park 1, Element Industrial, Romania.
Bravo,
Congratulations.
bravo. And from Element Development, we have Muller Onofre, live.
Muller, welcome. Congratulations.
Hello, everybody. That's a very nice surprise for this evening. I would like to thank everyone for their votes, the jury. We didn't expect it. I think we are going, all of us, through these changes. One example is this very event that is going on right now in very unusual circumstances. But my belief is that we will emerge cooler on the other side. We'll be cooler persons, all of us. And because, you know, hardship makes better people. And let's celebrate together this changes we're going through. Thank you so much.
Thank you, and congratulations, and you're absolutely right. You see who's really with you at the end when things are getting tougher and who's not. During the best times, it's easy, yeah? So, but anyway, tonight we want to have a great time. We want everyone to have a great time and enjoy themselves, and you know, congratulations on winning again, and we'll see you very soon, I hope, in Romania.